Greetings to all. I am Kirtana Rajkumar here to present a paper on a comparative study on digital library over traditional library during the pandemic period of COVID-19 among UG and PG students. Introduction. Library is known as knowledge archival, preservation, and maintenance of culture, knowledge dissemination, information retrieval, education, and social interaction. Whereas digital library is the combination of other libraries through network, which users can access from home or work, and it makes it more accessible. Digital libraries give access to multiple contents with a potentially infinite number of resources and selections at hand as comparative digital library is more effective than traditional library. Objectives of the study: to understand the satisfaction level of digital library over traditional library, to study the availability of resources from digital library, to study the universal accessibility of digital library, to study the preservation of resources, to understand the difficulties faced by students while using digital library, to understand the mode of feasibility of library. Significance of this study: due to this pandemic situation, people are not allowed to going out. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, libraries across the world shut down their buildings to limit transmission of the virus. Digital library is the best resource to save people from misinformation. Digital library help people to transmit their mental health, and it provide great relief too. In academics, the growth in e-learning, in which education is delivered and supported through computer networks such as the internet, has posed new challenges for library service. So it is important to study the benefit of digital library among UG and PG students in this new era and how it is helpful for students. Review of literature. According to Sarah Civic and Covey, it was predicted in 1965 that future libraries will be highly innovative and different in structure, processing, and through application as compared to a traditional library. According to Lee, digital library is helpful for students during their studies, especially when they are doing research. According to Nakata, it is generally agreed that most students use libraries for educational purpose. Some students go to library to spend their times and use computers, but others go to libraries for study purpose, borrow course books, use reference books, or search for other study related material.
Data analysis and interpretation. Statistical level of digital library over traditional library. From this study, it is clearly depicted that majority from the respondents have a neutral satisfaction to digital library over traditional library. While for 23% of the respondents, they have a very satisfaction with the digital library. Source of digital library. In the survey, it is found that most of them are collected resources through online database in the digital library, while other 35% of respondents are obtained resources through e-book. Digital library have a universal accessibility. Most of the respondents are agree with the statement. Only 1.7% of respondents are disagree with the statement. Difficulties faced by the student. There were several issues faced by the respondent in accessing the digital library facilities. Most of the respondents are faced by the internet facilities. 25% of respondents are faced by the issue of accessibility of the digital library. Feasibility of library. Above analysis clearly depicted that majority of the respondents have most feasible in the digital library as compared to traditional library. Findings: 38% of respondents are neutrally satisfied with the digital library. On the other hand, 3% of respondents are very dissatisfied with the digital library. Majority of the resources collected from online database. The statement of universal accessibility of digital library are agreed by 58.3%. 40% of the respondents are faced by the issue of internet facilities while accessing the digital library facility. Most preferred feasible mode of library is digital library as compared to traditional library. Conclusion: digital library can access from anywhere despite geographical locations from anywhere, leading to the universal access. From this study, we can conclude that digital library have a beneficial for learning purpose to the students during the pandemic situations. Most of the respondents are satisfied with the digital library, and it is necessary as they are not able to access the conventional library as a result of COVID-19 pandemic situation. Students are able to study using the materials available in the digital library and also able to divert their mind through reading the books with the help of a digital library. During this pandemic situation, digital library have a more feasible than the traditional library. The difficulties faced by the students while using the digital library are internet connectivity problem. Some of the students are not aware about the proper use of digital library. It can be resolved through providing proper guidance from the part of the education institution. Suggestion: it is better add more and more resources in the digital library. Some of the students or respondents are not fully aware about the digital library, so it is better if the government or education institutions to resolve this issue. The government or education institution should provide proper guidelines about this digital uses. Provide useful or important resources in a brief manner. It will help the students or respondents to obtain the fruitful resources from the digital library. Thank you.